let's continue. And now we're gonna create routes. To do that, we're gonna, okay, the server has started on port 5000. We can open Postman. I have a video showing you how to download it and install it, but right now we're gonna go to this plus tab, just click it, and as you can see we have get, post, put, patch, delete, head options. So these are the options that we are going to be using, and to access them we're going to use the http, this one, http colon localhost colon 5000. That is our port 5000 slash, and then this would be our endpoint, so slash API slash bike. So that's gonna be our endpoint. And if we click send, let me see, we are gonna have this error, so 404 not found, and that's fine. So we're gonna create this endpoint right now. So if we go into the let me see, server.js, we have this app constant, this variable like that. And what we are gonna do is we're gonna use it so we can have the app, and we are gonna use the get method. So get, so app.get, and here we are gonna have some arguments. So the first argument, it has to be inside single quotes, and it's gonna be the endpoint, that is gonna be API slash, and it's gonna be bikes. Okay, so the second argument, it has to be the request response arrow function. So it's gonna be request response, and it's gonna be like that, arrow function. We're gonna open a set of curly braces, and here we are gonna have res.send. So it's gonna be the res.send, and we're gonna open a set of parentheses, and inside of the single quotes we are gonna have our message. For example, just get bikes, like that. Save it. So we have that so far. And if we go to Postman, and this time we have, like this. So we are in the get, and we have the http colon double forward slash localhost colon 5000, and then the endpoint, that is forward slash API slash bikes. If we click send it, this time we get the 200 okay response, so get bikes. So we get this information, that's fine. So in the previous we got a 404, that is an error. And now what we are gonna do is, instead of using the here that send, we are pretty much change it for the that JSON, like that. And instead of writing it inside single quotes, what we are gonna do is we can have let me see, we can just put a set of curly braces because this is JSON. And what we are gonna do is we are gonna have the message. So we're gonna have let me see, the message, message, and then just get bikes, like that. Let me see, get bikes, and yeah, that would be like that, get bikes. And obviously this one has to be inside, let me see, single quotes, like that. And we can save it right now. And we can also do is taras 200, because that's an okay response. So that JSON, like that. Just one JSON. Let me see, and we can save it so far, send it, and as you can see we get this message, get bikes, and then we have the 200 request successful, the server has responded as required. And as you can see, this is because the server is running. If I Control C Yeah, it's terminate. Yeah, Control C. Yeah, I have terminated it. If I do it again, yeah, it's not, it hasn't found it. So we click npm run server, like that. It's gonna be running, and it's gonna be running in port 5000. So if I do it again, it's a get request. If I click it here, okay, so we're gonna get the get back. So we're gonna get this information right now. So in the next video we're gonna do a new file, and here we're gonna have our roots, our roots: get, put, delete,